How to fix screen not turning off on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on this developer option. Now here you will see stay bakes is here. So if you want to fix screen not turning, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen. You will see. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix screen not turning off on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.